Dear students, I received a lot of questions from you regarding how to join to the classes. First of all, I will give a quick video demonstration how we can do it. First of all, what you have to do, you have to enroll yourself to the class. After the enrollment, for the education purposes, you have to go into your course. For example, in this course, management forecasting is one of the courses which I'm teaching right now. And afterwards, you have to go to Blackboard Collaborate at the time of the class. At the time of the class, I mean at the exact time which is shown at your timetable. For example, so for some of the courses, it's Monday, it's 10:30, it's written on your timetable, so you have to go in at that time. Some of the courses, it's 3:30 Friday or Wednesday, you have to go at that specific time. So it's vital that you enter to the class at the time being. So what you have to do, you have to go to Blackboard Collaborate on the toolbox over here. Then you click to join session, then online lecture series. When you click the online lecture series, another tab will be open. It will ask you to allow the microphone. Okay, we are allowing. I'm just joining as a student over here. It says you're the only one in the course room. That's not a problem. So if you did until these steps, it's completely fine. Okay, you join to the class. I will come in and start the lecture after the time starts. Okay, if you want to talk with me, you can turn on your microphone from here. If you want to share your video, you can share the video from here. Also, if you want to ask questions, you can click to raise hand. If you raise hand, your instructor will know that you have a question. Okay. At the same time, you can have open Colloborate panel. You can chat with anyone. You can see who's the attendees. Because I'm using right now the preview user account, which is exactly the same account as you have. I'm just seeing as the Boren Sargon preview user. Okay, you cannot do anything with this user. You can share content. Nothing is shared right now because the presenters or moderators may share content. Why presenters and moderators share content? I can share the content. I'm the instructor, so I can share the content and you can join to the classes. Also, you can see your settings from here, which you can set up your camera and the microphone. If you have notification settings, you can check them up. And when you're done with the class, okay, you can click over here to open session menu. Then you can either report an issue or simply leave the session. I think that will be perfectly okay. If you have any further emails, you can send me through boren.sargon.akun.edu.tr. I'm waiting all of you to the class. Also, I would like to make another view on a special issue about these online lecturing series. These series, you have to be physically there. So I'm taking attendances. So attendance is vital. So how I am taking the attendances, I can take the attendance by the Blackboard Collaborate. So if you join the class after 15 minutes, you're late. Sorry, I'm correcting that. You will be absent from the class. If you join, that will be late. So your attendance will be affected if you don't join on time. Also, if no one joins the class, I assume that you know the lecture, so I will make that chapter that you will be responsible from that chapter. So I believe that will be all. Okay, so let's leave the session. If you have any questions regarding the Blackboard Corporate or other stuff about Blackboard, you can send me emails. Okay. By the way, another question might arise because of the course marks, because no one attended right now. It might be seen that overall mark will be F over here. It doesn't show it at the moment. It will be after you enter to the exams and other assignments. Your mark will change accordingly. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I will see you later on. Thank you. Bye bye.